the magic of automation in Python. Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of automation with Python, where we can make computers do tasks for us, like magic. First, let's talk about Selenium WebDriver. It's like having a virtual assistant for web tasks. With WebDriver, we can control web browsers to do things like fill out forms, click buttons, and scrape information from websites. Next, we have PyAutoGUI. Think of it as a robot arm for your computer. PyAutoGUI lets us automate tasks by simulating mouse movements and keystrokes, making repetitive tasks a thing of the past. Then, there's Beautiful Soup. This tool helps us extract information from web pages, like finding specific words or collecting data from tables, saving us a ton of time when working with web data. Another powerful tool is Pandas. It's like a supercharged spreadsheet for Python. Pandas helps us analyze and manipulate data easily, perfect for handling large datasets and making sense of information. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the world of automation in Python. With these tools, you can automate tasks, extract data, and analyze information. The possibilities are endless, so start exploring and see what magic you can create.